Hello and welcome to Audi Middleburg Heights. When you're ready to purchase or lease a vehicle, Audi Middleburg Heights is your best bet for price, convenience, and quality service. Here's why. We have one of the area's largest inventories. We also specialize in exclusive Audi vehicles that are hard to come by in a wide variety of price ranges to fit every budget. The showroom at Audi Middleburg Heights is conveniently located at the corner of I-71 and Pearl Road in Middleburg Heights. Our dealership is right across the street from Sunnyside Honda and Mitsubishi. Our dealership is equipped with 394 solar panels, which gives us clean, pure energy from the sun. This helps combat greenhouse gas emissions and reduces our collective dependence on fossil fuel. Our energy footprint is now less than a building 3 times as small. We care about the community and are active with many charitable organizations, including the National Multiple Sclerosis Society, Achievement Centers for Children, and Dare to Care. We feature a large inventory of Audi certified vehicles, with warranties up to 5 years from the original service date, with unlimited mileage, including roadside assistance. Our online service scheduling is simple and easy to use. We also have a dedicated service scheduler to assist you over the phone. Every service includes a multi-point inspection and hand car wash. You can feel at ease knowing that all of our service technicians are Audi certified with many years of experience. We know that your time is valuable. That's why Audi Middleburg Heights has complimentary pickup and delivery options with new Audi vehicles for your convenience. Make your car look new again with a complete menu of services from our award-winning detail center. From a hand car wash and wax to full detail, we've got it covered. Our parts department has everything you need for your Audi, and we carry a wide range of Audi accessories for your vehicles. But the best reason to buy from Audi Middleburg Heights? Over 65 dedicated employees with a focus and a commitment to your satisfaction. When you come to our dealership, you'll always be greeted by familiar faces. Come visit us at 7629 Pearl Road in Middleburg Heights, right next to the I-71 Pearl Road exit and just minutes from the Cleveland Hopkins Airport. Or browse our inventory online at audimiddleburgheights.com. New home, new location, same great Sunnyside service.